Here's how to disassemble a sleep number bed for moving. First, disconnect the air pump and pack it safely in a box with packing paper. Next, detach the magnets from the mattress and place towels on them so they don't reconnect and cause damage. Wrap the mattress in a plastic bag and tape it securely for transport. Then, remove all air tubes and pancake them flat for safe carrying. Finally, take apart the rails and protect them with moving blankets. Now everything is packed, safe, and ready to move.